Hey there, history buffs and tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating discovery that combines the mysteries of the past with cutting-edge technology. Imagine a hidden world, 2.5 kilometers beneath the Mediterranean Sea, where an ancient shipwreck has been lying dormant for centuries. This is not just any shipwreck, but the deepest one ever found in French waters, and it's about to reveal some incredible secrets. Recently, a groundbreaking discovery was made using an autonomous underwater drone, the A6K. This remarkable machine, along with the expertise of the French Navy's Sephismer team, has unveiled a 16th-century merchant ship, dubbed Camarat 4, in pristine condition. What makes this find truly extraordinary is the depth at which it was discovered and the technology used to uncover it. You see, the A6K is no ordinary drone. It's an advanced autonomous underwater vehicle designed to explore the abyssal zone, where pressure is a staggering 250 times greater than at sea level. This little underwater explorer uses side-scan sonar and HD cameras to see in total darkness, capturing hours of footage and mapping the ocean floor with incredible precision. And it's this technology that has allowed us to peer into the past like never before. The Camarat 4 is a time capsule, frozen in time due to the unique conditions of the deep Mediterranean. The constant water temperature and lack of oxygen have preserved the ship's wooden structure and cargo, including around 200 ceramic containers, as if they were still sailing the seas 500 years ago. This is a treasure trove for archaeologists, offering a rare glimpse into Renaissance-era trade and maritime history. But what's even more intriguing are the religious clues found at the site. Many of the ceramics bear the IHS monogram, a symbol of Christ, suggesting a connection to Christian organizations. Could this ship have been on a sacred mission, transporting goods to or from religious institutions? It's a captivating thought, and it adds a layer of mystery to this already remarkable discovery. What I find truly fascinating is how this shipwreck has remained untouched for so long. The extreme pressure and lack of oxygen have created a natural preservation chamber, protecting the ship from the usual xylophagous organisms that would normally devour wooden structures. It's a perfect storm of conditions that has kept this piece of history intact. This discovery also highlights the incredible advancements in maritime archaeology. With technology like the A6K, we can now explore and map the ocean's depths with unprecedented detail, uncovering secrets that have been hidden for centuries. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. In my opinion, this find is a powerful reminder of the vast, untold stories that lie beneath the waves. It's a gateway to understanding our past and the interconnectedness of cultures and trade routes. And with each new discovery, we gain a deeper appreciation for the history that has shaped our world. So, as we continue to explore the mysteries of the deep, let's remember that every shipwreck, every artifact, has a story to tell. And with the help of innovative technology, we can unlock these tales, piece by piece, and bring the past to life in ways we never thought possible. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.